Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we'll show you how to set up LinkedIn conversion tracking for the purchase event. Okay, so if you are an e-commerce business owner and you want to advertise on LinkedIn, uh, and you want to set up conversion tracking for your purchase event, and you can set up tracking for view item, add to cart, checkout, view cart events as well. Okay, but in most of the cases, people don't use LinkedIn for e-commerce niches, but in case if you want to set up uh, or if you want to use LinkedIn for your e-commerce business, then and you want to set up uh, conversion tracking for your e-commerce store for LinkedIn ads, then you can consider watching this video. Okay, so this would be a complete process. So without any further delay, let's get started. So we'll be basically setting up LinkedIn conversion tracking for this website. Just a minute. Let me copy the URL. Yeah, we'll be setting up LinkedIn ads conversion tracking for this website, and we'll be setting up only purchase event, and I'll tell you how to set up conversion tracking for view item, add to cart, checkout, and other events as well. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So for going to the or for setting up purchase event for LinkedIn, we need to go to the advertise section from our LinkedIn account. Okay, then I need to choose one of the campaign managers. I have two available here, so I'm gonna click on it. Then I'm gonna click on analyze, and I'm gonna choose conversion tracking, and I'll click on create conversion, and I'm gonna choose inside tag conversion, and I have to name the conversion. So I'll name it as LinkedIn. So you can name it as per your requirements. Define the key conversion. So the key conversion uh would be purchase here. Okay. Or let me find the purchase. Yeah, this one, the purchase, and you can set the value for your conversion. This is optional. So you can set up the conversion value according to your product, So for the time being, I'm giving the value as $20. Okay, and you can select the time frame for when the conversion can be counted. So the clicks is by default 30 days, and views is by default 7 days. So you can customize this, like you can do it for 90 days and do it for 90 days as well. And from the attribution model, we have two options available here. So I would request you to use the first one, last as each campaign. Okay, so I'm gonna click on next step. Then you can see over here, choose the conversion tracking method. So we have different types of methods available here. One is for website actions, which is pretty new. Then manual conversion setup, and the tag manager. So we're going to be using tag manager. So I'm going to select tag manager from here. Okay. So you can see over here, they have given us partner ID or tag insight ID. So we'll need this. I'm going to copy it later. And you can see over here, define your conversion tracking method. So we have different kinds of methods available here. Like we have page load, event specific, or you can enter your URL directly. So I'm going to be using event specific. Okay, perfect. So they have given us conversion ID for Google Tag Manager. So let's go to the Tag Manager. Okay. So you can see over here, I have created a Tag Manager account for this website. You can see over here, Analytical Growth E-commerce, and I have already set up LinkedIn Insight tags for this tag for this website. So we can take the help of an extension called LinkedIn inside tag checker. So if you don't know how to install this, you need to go to the Google Chrome and write LinkedIn Insight Tag Checker. Okay, so I'm gonna inspect this one. So you can see over here, inside partner ID, this one 4106228. So let's go to the tag manager. I'm gonna click on OK. Tag manager. Then you can see over here 4106228. So both of the IDs are matching. Okay, perfect. So let's set up LinkedIn ads conversion tracking for the purchase event. Okay, so I'm gonna, first of all, I need to create a trigger. Okay, so for the purchase event, so for creating the trigger, I need to make a purchase. So I'm gonna put my website URL and I'll click on connect. Then let's make a purchase because we'll be using a data layer for creating the trigger. Okay, perfect. So tag assistant connected. Now I'll make a purchase. So I'm going to choose this product, for example. Then I'll click on add to cart. Then I'm going to click on view cart. Then I'm going to click on checkout. Then I have to provide my informations available. You can see the informations are available here. So what you need to do, you need to provide your informations and then click on place order. So let's go to the tag assistant. So you can see over here, thank you, your order has been received. Okay, so you can see over here, we have an event called purchase. So I'm gonna go to the data layer section. So can create the trigger name using this event name. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this one and I'll go to the trigger section and I'm gonna create a new trigger with the name of maybe purchase trigger. Okay, and I'll choose trigger configuration as custom event and event name equal purchase. Okay, so if you want to track view item or add to cart or add to payment method or add to shipping add payment info, then what you need to do, you need to copy this event name like this one, add shipping info. Then let's go to view item list. So if you want to track view item list, you need to copy this one. Similarly, if you want to track add to cart. Okay, so this is the process. So what you need to do, you need to create a trigger for this specific events like view item, add to cart, checkout, and purchase, and so on, you know. So yeah, we have created a trigger with the custom event calls purchase. So I'm gonna click on save and I'll go to the trigger section and I'm gonna create a trigger. So I'll click on new and name the trigger as LinkedIn converge. This is how I used to name the tagging sequence, you know. So you can use of your own, no worries. Then I'm gonna choose tag configuration as LinkedIn Insight 2.0. Then we had partner ID, you know, this one actually. So I'm gonna copy the code, your partner ID or Insight ID, Insight tag ID actually. So I'm gonna insert this over here and then we have conversion ID for Google Tag Manager. I'm gonna copy this one as well. Okay, perfect. Then from the triggering section, I'll trigger it as purchase trigger and I'm gonna click on save. Then I'll go to the LinkedIn and I'll click on next step. Then I don't want to use it in any in any ads right now, because later after collecting data, I'll use it in a campaign. No worries. So I'm gonna click on create. So you can see over here currently its status is unverified. So previously we showed you how to set up LinkedIn conversion tracking for the lead event. So it is active now, you know. So after getting some data, it will be activated. Okay, it will be activated. So let's make a purchase and see whether it works or not. Okay, perfect. So for making a purchase or for testing, I'm gonna click on the preview button, and I need to provide my website URL, which is already given over here. So I'll click on connect. Then I'll make a purchase quickly. For example, I'm gonna select this product right now, and I'll make this product to the add to cart list. Then I'll view this product. I'll click on view cart actually. Then I'm gonna click on checkout, and I'll quickly make a purchase by clicking on place order. Okay, perfect. So it will take time. So you can see over here, LinkedIn conversion event purchase has fired one time. So let's go to there and inspect it, because I am in the purchase page. That means the event will only be fired when the custom event contains or custom event equals purchase. Okay, so I'll take the help of this extension, LinkedIn Insight Checker, and I'll click on inspect. Then you can see over here inside partner ID, status success inside partner ID, conversion ID. So we both of them are working fine. That's why that is how you can set up LinkedIn ads conversion tracking for the purchase event. Okay, so everything is working fine, everything is working properly. So additionally, you need to click on the submit button, because you need to publish the trigger, because it is working fine. And if you need any tracking services, like if you want to set up Google Ads conversion tracking, Facebook Pixel, Facebook conversion API, GA4 server side tracking, GA4 reporting, setting up Google Tag Manager, GT, and you want to set up LinkedIn ads conversion tracking or LinkedIn conversion tracking for your e-commerce store or service-based business, then you can consider contacting us. We have given our phone number. You can directly WhatsApp us, email us. So yeah, hopefully we'll have a great collaboration together. Okay, you have a good day. Bye bye.